Hello traders, this is Mike Billion. Today is March 28, 2017 and let's talk about the market. Let's start with the spider. The spider, as you can see here, break out the 5 simple moving average, but is right there at Fibonacci 235.28. So the question is, if this bull good enough to break out the 20 simple moving average, and that's my stop loss. DMI is still bearish and strong. So there is a 80% probability that we're gonna go down from here and test the major support, which is 227, but there is a possibility that we break that 20 and test the 240 one more time. So let's see what happens. I'm ready to honor my stop if the 21 simple moving average fails. Now let's talk about the DIA. This is the Dow Jones ATF. And you can see here the same. The double exponential, the 21 double exponential is the resistance, but is right there holding about the 5 simple moving average. DMI is bearish and strong, so there is a high probability that we're gonna test the 200, which will be my first target, or the other target will be 190, which is the trend multi-year trend support, which is it will be nice to get it right here alone for another let up. For now, I think it's gonna go down, but we have to be careful at the 21 double exponential. If we finish the day about this 21 double exponential, which is now 208, then this thing is gonna move up and test the 210, probably continue there and go to the 220s. So let's see what happens. The IWM is just moving inside this triangle in the rectangle. It's nothing to trade right here. It's at the bottom of the rectangle, which means it can bounce very nice from here. But the DMI is bearish and strong. So for me right here, I'm bearish neutral. This is not bullish yet. It might get bullish if you break out the 20, this trend line. Let me show you this trend line. You might go, if you wanna go long, go long if you break out this trend resistance. But for now, nothing to do with the iShares results. And now let's talk about American Airlines. American Airlines break down the 200 simple moving average, bounce back at the Fibonacci 40, and then is breaking this resistance but hasn't confirmed. If tomorrow there's a confirmation about today's high, which is $43, then this thing is going to start running from here and it's going to be a nice let up and we can enter long in here. For now, I'm shorting this one. I think based on DMI that this thing is still bearish. It's just bouncing right here, trying to check out all the weak hands. So let's see what happens. But I'm ready to enter long and change my mind if there is a confirmation, because this could be a nice trade to $48. Now let's talk about AMD. I'm officially fan of this stock. This is a good stock. It's holding. It break down yesterday. It didn't confirm the breakdown. The volume is low. Look at this volume. When it's going down, there is no volume. People are not selling this one. People are buying. Every time it start going up, people buy. When it goes down, people hold. So this was one of my favorites, and I'm looking to see if you break out this resistance. Or you can use the Fibonacci 1428 to go long, which is just a couple pennies away. And my target will be $16 or $17. I'm bullish on this one, even though the ADX went down. It might just work out right here and wait until the apex and boom, it's gonna go to $17. I like AMD long term. Now Baidu also break down this major multi-year triangle wedge, but it didn't confirm. It went back up inside the triangle. DMI is bearish and strong. So I don't know. We have to wait for the confirmation, which is below 166. So write down the numbers. If you trade below 166, what do? You go short. Now let's talk about Caterpillar. Caterpillar the same. Break down the triangle, went back inside the major multi-year channel. Nothing to do here. You have to wait. DMI is bearish. but it's not strong. ADX is below 20. So this one I will wait until it break out the $90. Below $90, this thing is bearish. But this thing from here, about the 20 simple moving average, which is $94, this thing can fly and go to 107. And the last one that I wanted to talk about, of course, is Tesla. I wanted to bring up the 4 daily chart because I wanted to show you the major resistance. People forget. People tend to do and just look at the price action for the last 3 months. Look at the whole chart. Major resistance to 84. This is major resistance. So you have to respect that resistance. This thing has been trading inside this rectangle for over 3 years. So if you get a breakout with 284 in a confirmation, this thing can move $100 up. I'm bullish in Tesla right now. I was bearish. I was thinking that it was gonna test the 245, but it didn't happen. It just went down to 250, and now it's looking to test the 284, which is a major resistance. So I'm looking to see if it's gonna break out that level, because if it break out and confirm the level, this thing is gonna move very nicely, and you have to be ready to enter. And you can use the same 284 as your stop loss. You see right here, back in February, it break out, but it didn't confirm the next day. So you have to wait for the confirmation. Always wait for the confirmation when there is a major resistance. So if you get a candle like this, let's say Friday, you're not gonna go long there. You're gonna go long when Monday it goes about the high of the day. Then you can go long, and you can use the 284 as the stop loss. So keep an eye on this 284. I think it's gonna go there. Now let me show you the promotion that I'm running in my website. You have the opportunity to enter MacBillion for a fraction of the money. Only one-time payment. You get the MacBillion alerts. You get the daily videos, updates, and current trades. You get the level 1 and level 2 trading course, and you also get my mentoring. So this is a very special promotion. So check it out, and this is gonna end Friday. So make sure you sign up, because it's not gonna come back. So this is everything for today. Trade on.